point. Birthday, Kisha.
Ano yung speaker eh?
Happy birthday. Hali ko, be. Mag-picture ka, makita yung ano, be. Happy birthday to you. Blow na candle, be. Blow candle kita.
Tingnan yung video